Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you a tour of my sketchbook. So first I have this girl with a messy bun. This is my first drawing. I know it's kind of ugly. And then second I have this scenery of a couple standing under a love tree. And then I have this girl, a face. I know this is just for practice, guys. I was just practicing my skills, so please don't judge. Then fourth drawing I have here is, I don't know, I was just bored, so I just made something. This is Mahatma Gandhi, the freedom fighter of India, and this is me and my bestie. They're hugging each other. And then we have this hand heart. I know it's kind of not that perfect, but yeah. Then I have this girl sitting beside the window. It's cute. And then I have this girl going to school with her backpack. Then I also did some friendship sketches here, like two girls sitting on one swing. And then I made this girl with a flawless frock or dress. Then I made this for a little motivation and positiveness. So yeah. And I also wrote something up here, but yeah. Then I made this BTS fan. Comment who is the BTS fan. Comment down. Then I have this one more time couple sketching and one more couple sketching. Love, and I made this. And then I also have one more friendship sketch of besties forever. Then I have this cool sketch that says be yourself, don't change for someone. Then I made this anime girl, kind of looks nice, I guess. This is Anya from an anime. And then this is a peace sign that I made. And then in last but not the least, I have a... So guys, if you like my sketchbook, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!